afternoon now. I haven't been vlogging today because I've been catching up with one of my friends, but I'm putting together Camden's toy chest right now. Got the drill. Excuse me, I have the drill here. Just following the instructions. So if you guys want to watch me, I'm trying to be prepared to have a place for him to put his toys after he opens them on Christmas. Okay, so we need this piece, I think, to go there. Let's see. Yep, and then this is F. No, y'all, I done messed up already. I gotta take this loose, y'all. My camera's about to die. We decided last minute to switch Cam's room around, so the help is here, babe. That's not even heavy. I haven't put no toys in it.
That thing is heavy, don't know what.
Whatever. Let's put it in here. You gonna say I did a good job?
You did.
Sleepy.
Like, move this.
We need to move this first. Move it. Hey, Woo. Mommy, come get you. Hey, Woogie. Hi, Nani. Wear your coat. You need your coat. Hi, Mama. You okay? Why are you acting weird? You excited? Hey, Mom.
Hey.
You
happy to be going home?
Give me
I'm
a kiss.
happier than they are.
Wait, babe, throw me his coat.
Hi guys. Right now I'm at home. I was at me in my house. I'm sorry y'all haven't saw me. Look, Claire's right here. He's so cute. Look. Hey. He is so cute, right? I know. So mommy and Daddy put some more Christmas stuff on the tree when I was gone. So the tree's right here, which I know y'all can see. See the couch and stuff. Yeah. Got some stuff.
Oh, you talking about the present?
See the present they put down there for us. They only had like a little bit of presents, maybe like 4 or 5.
But now it's more, right?
Yeah. Crew's eating right now, and I'm about to eat just like Crew. And somebody found my phone, finally.
Yeah, we found it for you. Don't drop it.
How did y'all find it?
It was in the couch.
Oh. Crew's so cute. But he's
Camden.
walking around.
Who here?
Who here? Who here? Who's next? That's how cameras sound like.
You on yourself, and you get in trouble because they told you potty. Come here.
He usually
We
actually
told you to go potty.
What?
Don't look sad. Come on. He mad because he peed on himself, y'all.
Peabody.
Leave him alone.
Peabody.
Leave him alone, CJ. Come on, Cam. It's okay. I told you you need to go to a potty. You're too excited. You're drunk.
What are you doing, huh? Huh? What are you doing, Crew?
Come on, Peabody.
Babe, stop.
That always
You
makes
don't even want to walk.
That's good.
You don't even want to walk. Look at
That's nasty, right? I'm gonna get it off you.
you. Look at you.
But
That's nasty.
well, I'm home, sweet home. Finally, which I really wanted to go home.
Ugh.
I'm gonna go see my room.
Taylor, don't put the camera over here.
Okay.
Wait, Taylor. You coming back?
Come through.
Babe, don't. Why would you do that? Go now.
Bad man. Oh, what happened to the tree?
We moved the tree, y'all. Where the tree?
Where'd it go?
No,
What happened?
the tree.
What's going on, Dink? What happened to here? Huh? We changed his room around, y'all.
Is that mine?
What did I say? She was gonna say. We always change our room around. It was time for us to change. You like this, Cam? Hey. What? You don't like it? We changed your room. We moved the bed over here. Okay. Is that fine? Look, y'all.
You buy my horse.
What's
Come
wrong?
this way, buddy.
Cam, you don't like it? Your room, I know. Do you like it? We put the bed right here. Don't put it on your bed. Dirty. Yes, I know. I put that in there. Do you like that? Your toys go inside. Yeah. Yeah, your toys go in there. Do you like that? Cam. Yeah, I don't know if you like this. What's wrong? What is wrong, buddy?
Better run. Slow, ninja.
You putting Mickey in there?
Get out of my room. Go.
Okay. You like it?
My room. Go to your room, something.
Wearing dirty clothes, man.
Huh? But he can put Mickey in there. He didn't put Mickey Mouse in there. I like it like this. Who mean? Who's mean? Camden. Who's mean? Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Cam getting a haircut tomorrow, y'all. Hey! Crew, come. Tell him to drop it. Say drop.
Drop.
Taylor, move. Taylor, drop. Drop it, crew.
Y'all miss y'all.
Drop. Crew, that's not you. Oh, Lord. There's no more. What do you think, Cam? You like it? You like it? You love it, Taylor? We gotta hang up his basketball hoop right there. Yeah, you can turn the light on. Yep.
It won't be scared. Oh.
Y'all got bigger while y'all were gone.
Oh.
Y'all got bigger while y'all were gone.
Really?
Yes, and that's sad to me. Alright, Cam. Don't keep turning it on and off.
Yeah.
I think he likes it. You better not pee on yourself again, okay? Oh, you not gonna share with Nani? He said he got his own toy box now. He all set for Christmas, y'all. His toys can go in his room. He can come in his room and play. Y'all, so we moved the tree in our room in this corner. I like it better right here.
Guys.
Come on, let's go eat, y'all. Come on. Come on, come.